This is Dheeraj from Parul University. I welcome you all on behalf of Parul University IT department. Today we are having with us Miss Komal Soni, who is technical representative of Electronics Hunter. She is going to tell us about image processing using MATLAB, and it is useful for your project work as well as your dissertation work. So those who are having diploma, degree, or having masters, they will get benefited out of that. We will. Komal ma'am, now you can.
Okay. So good morning, everyone. I'm Komal Soni from Electronic Hunters. I hope you all are doing good and great, and all health are good due to this corona conditions what we are suffering from past decade. So I hope all everyone's health is good. Okay. So Electronic Hunters has started journey in 2020. Okay, so basically हम एक community build करना चाहते हैं from who are those of technology and you are means हम एक जो लोग टेक्नोलॉजी से कनेक्टेड है और जो कनेक्ट होना चाहते हैं ओके एंड वी आर कोर्सेज फॉर ऑल who are like kids, adults, and who want to learn new technology. So there is no age group. We are open for all. Okay, and for courses like electronics, robotics, Arduino, we are providing kits also, and we have two different technologies like artificial intelligence, Python, image processing. Okay, so basically today I am going to present you what is image processing, why we have to learn image processing, okay, and the benefits, career opportunities after learning image processing, and application for which purpose we can use image processing. Okay, so and there are so many other technologies we will what we will cover in our courses, and we provide training. So this is we create this platform, okay, so that the passioners और जिनको learn करने का eager है, you know, the eager person who want to learn new technology, and we can go with this world by learning new skills and new technology. Okay, so let's start with image processing. Okay, so basically today I'm going to present image processing part so that you can get idea that what basically an image processing is. And this is using and after that we will go into programming part also. Okay, so that we can get idea about some MATLAB and how do we process on images. So basically let's first understand what is image processing and what is an image. Okay, so image processing means we will process on image so that we can get some information about from an image, or we can enhance it. Okay, so basically the purpose is to get information, to collect an information from an image that is depend on our application, that how what information is matter for us. Like let me give you an example. Like for in the doctors get an x-ray. Okay, if I had a fracture in my hand, so doctors क्या करेंगे कि x-ray निकालेंगे. So that is also an image processing कि मेरे हैंड में कहाँ पे फ्रैक्चर हुआ है वो उनको कैसे पता चलता है. So what image processing is do, that highlight that particular part so that we can the doctor can understand that that particular part has a crack on this on a bone of our body. Okay, so that is one of example of medical field. There are so many example in medical field. There is an MRI. Okay, and there are other examples like security purpose, surveillance purpose, robot vision. So many applications are available. Okay, so nowadays the engineers or non-engineers means who are turning towards image processing because there are so many opportunities and we can recognize and learn so many things regarding it, that how this can be used, like in our mobile phone also. If we can capture an image or photo, so there is behind some part of image processing is available. We can contrast, enhance, lightning, resolution means when we buy a mobile, so we can ask for the how much megapixel of this camera, means हम पूछते हैं कि कितना मेगापिक्सल का है. So also that is resolution. Higher the megapixel, higher the resolution, higher the quality of an image. So now let's understand what is an image. Okay. So basically there are two coordinates, x and y. Okay. So at that coordinates of particular point, uh, f at amplitude f is known as an intensity of an image, and that amplitude value of f, I mean that amplitude value of and that intensity is known as an image. So let me give you a simpler. Basically, the image is uh, two-dimensional array in simple words. Okay. So हमने कभी देखा होगा कि हम इमेज को जूम करते हैं या एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, तब कभी कभी ना हमको वी कैन सी दैट देयर इज सम स्क्वायर स्क्वायर थिंग, मीन्स हम बोलते हैं कि इमेज फट रही है. ओके, सो व्हाई दिस इज हैपनिंग? So that all are depend on pixels. Our whole image is made up of pixel. You can tell it picture elements. Okay, and each and every picture elements have a different value according to the image. Okay, means if higher resolution or a high megapixel, so the values has been different. So basically the picture is contain a picture elements. You can call it pixels. Okay, and each pixel has its different values. Okay, so now let's go to the part that there are so many type of an image, like binary image, black and white image, 8-bit color image, 16-bit color image. So what these types are representing? Okay, so let's first go through the binary image. Okay, so what binary represents? Binary means its name self suggests that two. Okay, so there are only two values are available, known as 1 or 0. So what here 1 representing? 1 means white, 0 means black. So here only two colors are available, black and white, and the pixel values, the value of each pixel is either 1 or 0. Same as go through black and white. So compare this binary image and black and white. Okay. So in black and white there is also two colors, black and white. Okay. But in binary, two colors, black and white, and pixel value either 0 or 1. But in black and white the value should be different, but the colors are two, black and white. Okay. So basically, we can convert the color image into the grayscale image. Gray means what? It is a type of means combination of white and black color. Okay, so basically we perform the task according to our application. Means we if we want to our application is regarding a grayscale image, or our information is less, or we want to perform or grab information from gray image, so we can perform accordingly, either grayscale image or color image. Okay, so let me go through 8-bit color image. Now here what 8-bit means. 8-bit means 2 raised to 8, that is 256, 0 to 255. So basically we have 256 shades of color in 8-bit color image. Okay, There are so many colors. So in 8-bit color image, we can get 256 shades of colors. Now, go through 16-bit color image. So what is 16-bit means? 2 raised to 16, that is, we have 65535 shades of colors in 16-bit color image. But basically 8-bit color image is more preferable, means इस पे लोग ज़्यादा वर्क करते हैं एंड वो ज़्यादा अवेलेबल इन द सेंस कि बेसिकली वो मेन फॉर्मेट है जिस पे लोग काम करते हैं एंड ग्रे स्केल इमेज पर भी वर्क करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू एप्लीकेशन. While we performing with grayscale image, we are going to deal only with black and white color. We are manipulate the image with two colors only. But when we go through color image, so there are three main colors R, G and B, means red, green and blue. So all this color has three different ratios. So by using this ratio, we can generate or develop so many colors using only these three colors. So when we are going to process on color image, so we have to deal with all three colors, the different ratios. We have to do some combination of colors, so many inputs, and we have to deal with different colors. So this is the funda of color image where we are going to deal with different colors. And in grayscale image, we are going to deal with two colors, and like black and white, we are manipulate the image. There are different shades of colors. Okay, and in 8-bit image, uh, 0 represents black color, 255 represents white color, and 127 represents gray color. Okay, gray shade. So now let's go through the matrix part of an image. Okay, as I said, what is an image? In digital form, in MATLAB, image is a form of matrix. It is a two-dimensional array. So how image will represent here? Okay, so uh, when we are going through deal with an image in MATLAB in digital form, the image will represent in form of matrix. Okay, so as two-dimensional image, two-dimensional array, here the you can see the form of an image, how in form of matrix this will represent. So f of xy is equal to f of 0 comma 0 to f of m minus n comma n minus 1. Okay, so this is row and columns. Okay, m and n is row and column, and f of x and y means it amplitude of f coordinates x and y represents the matrix form of an image. Okay, so in basic format, the image, the matrix starts from f of 0, 0. But in MATLAB, that thing represent in f of 1, 1 to f of m, n. This is representation of digital image in MATLAB. Okay. So now let's go through how we can manipulate image and which tool is needed in MATLAB for manipulation of an image. Okay, so when we are going through manipulate the image, the basically we use MATLAB. There are other softwares also available, other platforms also available like OpenCV, where you can do manipulation on image as well as videos also in OpenCV, but more preferable is MATLAB because this is a very vast and so many versions and features are available in MATLAB. Okay, so Later on we are going through MATLAB also and do some process on image, that how image can be read, how we can convert in grayscale image, okay, how we can represent it. So now for MATLAB, what we need to process on an image. Here, process means we can manipulate an image to grab the information from an image. Okay, so हम क्या करते हैं कि हमको which want which tool we want. So image acquisition tool. Here three steps are available. We have to do three steps for process on an image. Okay, process means we can manipulate, process in the sense we manipulate, extract image, enhance image, get information from an image. Okay, so we have to the requirement is image acquisition tool. Okay, after the installation of the tool, process on an image. Process means manipulate it to grab the information, and after that we can get the result in form of digital image. Okay, so information or the result or the output means we can get the manipulated image. Either we have extract it, enhance it, increase in intensity, resolution, compress the image, because compression is also important. I will go to that part later on. Okay, now here I have before I said the types of an image, like binary image, black and white image, 8-bit color image, and 16-bit color image. Okay, so there are types of an image, but there are two types in image processing. How we can do image processing, like in analog form and in digital form. Okay, so here analog means what? That हमने कभी जेरोक्स करवाई हो, प्रिंट करवाई हो, ओके, जहाँ पे हम इमेज को मैनिपुलेट नहीं कर सकते. In Xerox we are getting the Xerox of an image or particular document, so that is also an image, but we can't store it, we can't manipulate it after getting the output. Here output is what we can get, the Xerox of an image or print of an image, or some document or sentence, whatever it is. But after getting that particular Xerox, we can't manipulate it or can't store it. And here the second thing is digital image processing. Digital image processing means what? After taking or getting an image, we can manipulate it, extract and enhancing. We can get information, store it. Again, we can manipulate it, restore it. So we can do manipulation with that output or with the result of an image. So that is digital image processing. Okay. Now let's go to some coding part where we can understand how to read image, okay, in MATLAB. So this is MATLAB software. Here I have already installed image acquisition tool from MathWorks. You can get the MATLAB software. You can take a trial version or you can purchase it. Okay, there is a community version also available, means a professional. Okay, so according to your requirement, for practicing purpose, you can take trial version and read it, that how you can work on MATLAB. Okay, so here what I have to do is, first of all, here I can take in variable. What variable can do? That can store the particular data. Here data is what? Data is image. Okay, so how the MATLAB read the image means, यहाँ पे एक फंक्शन है IMRead. ओके, दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर रीड एन इमेज. हमको परफॉर्म करना है इमेज पे. सो हम क्या करेंगे कि इमेज को रीड करवाएंगे, मैटलैब इमेज को रीड करेगा, उसके बाद हम परफॉर्म कर पाएंगे. सो IMRead इज यूज्ड फॉर रीड एन इमेज. how MATLAB can understand that this is particular this image and available at this location. So we have to give a particular path of that image. Means here I have given the path of where my image is already available. So here see user public picture sample. I have represent this my path of where image is available. तो मैं ये पाथ कहाँ से ले सकती हूँ? सो पर्टिकुलर इमेज को ओपन करो, राइट क्लिक करो, go to properties where you can see all the information of an image. Copy that path, paste here. After that, what you have to do, till this part, this is a path of an image where image is available. After that, do backslash, okay, and the name of an image and extension means the what type of image. There are so many different type of image like jpg, png, jpeg, tif, or all the different type with different qualities images are available. So here my image is in jpg format. So after the path, image name dot the format of an image. This is dot jpg. Okay, so this way the image can be read. After मैं इमेज तो मैंने रीड करवा दी, बट आफ्टर व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, मुझे साइज जानना है इमेज का कि द इमेज इज ऑफ व्हाट साइज. सो यूज साइज ऑफ आई. Okay, so yeah, and there is another thing that what if I want to check particular instruction, particular program or particular part, I can do command. Here two shortcut keys, Control R for command, multiple lines or instruction of an image, and Control T to remove that command. Okay, so here I am commenting this two instruction, and yeah, I am going to run this. And another thing, this is a somehow heavy software because MATLAB is very vast. You can do image processing, computer vision. Then if you want, you can use controllers, Arduino, Raspberry Pi. So many things are available. Just what we have to do according to our requirement, just install the support packages. From where you can get support packages? Here home, add-ons. Go to add-ons and type whatever software you want. Okay, and get installation packages from that. Okay, get add-ons. So according to your requirement, you can get installation packages. Okay, so now let's get the size of an image. So run the code. Okay, here my code is going to be run. Here I get answer like 7681024 and 3. This is my size of an image. Why this 3 are shown to me? Because the image is in form of R, G and B. So this represent how much value of R, how much value of G, and how much value of B is available in my image. R, G and B means red, green and blue. Okay, here you can see also the size of an image, but in program you can see size of an image by size in bracket the variable where image is available. Okay, so unsigned integer means this is an 8-bit color image. As I said, usually we perform on 8-bit color image where we can get 255 shades of an color shades of an image. Okay, so now I want to show my image. That image तो मैंने रीड कर दी, बट उसको मुझे शो करना है कि हाउ माई इमेज इज गोइंग टू बी सी. So let's run the code and get the output. Okay, here okay, This is gray image. Let me show you the color one. Okay. So while the running code is running now, you can see the busy here. Okay, the busy when the code is running, after the code has been completed, you can see your output. So here is my color image. You can see the image of penguins. Okay, now तो मैंने इमेज शो करवा दी, बट what if I want to see perform on gray image? So for that you have to write this. Take another variable RGB to gray of I. What is I? Where my image is available. So RGB to gray means red, green, blue means color, to gray means this will convert the image in gray format. And now let's see the output of our gray image. Okay, so this is my gray image. Here I have convert the image from color to gray. Okay, now what if I want to show both the image on same window or same platform? Okay, so for that what I have to do is subplot. Okay, so here what you can do is subplot 1 to 1. 1 to 1 means in single row, one row, two columns and first position. ठीक है, मतलब मुझे पहले रो पे, फर्स्ट कॉलम पे, फर्स्ट ब्लॉक पे कलर इमेज चाहिए. So this subplot represents one row, two columns, and from the two columns, one of the column where I can represent my color image. Okay. So after that, I have to do I am show of I, and after that, title of an image. So here I have given the title color image. Same as I want to show grayscale image beside the color image in second block. Okay. So one subplot 1 to 2 means what? In first row, second block or second column, show my second image, which is color image. So let's see this output. This is busy, so this is running the code. Here we can see our output. Color image on left side, and on right side there is a gray image. Okay, now as you can see here, the two images are available. Wait a second. Yeah, color image and grayscale image. So there is wait. As I said, the MATLAB is a very heavy and high feature software. So because of so many softwares I have installed, so that this can hang for some time or some little instance. So wait a second. Okay, so till that part has been completed, let me show you some another thing, like applications, advantages of an image processing, and applications. Okay, so let's cover that part. Wait a second. Okay, so here we are going to process on an image. So the process has been fast. Okay, and there is no cost, because we want only a particular software, MATLAB, a laptop, and only the software part where we can manipulate, extract, enhance, grab information. So many things we can do with using this software. So here I guess the process has been completed. So let me show you the. Okay, again this is giving trouble. So yeah, that's fine. But okay. So previously, when image processing has been started, so the how image can be sent through fiber optic cables. Okay, from one distance to another distance, there's so like around 15 ton of equipments are connected to send an image from like London to New York. If I want to send image from London to New York, so that can take too much time, so many equipments. But nowadays, as we are growing, uh, the speed has been increased, so many improvements, we can get so many information, so many features using MATLAB, and so many platforms are available to do image processing. Okay, here you can see the two images are there, color image as I said, by using subplot in single row, first column color image, second column gray image. So by using subplot I can do that. Now let's check what exactly subplot do. If I want to represent my image, मतलब मुझे image third column में चाहिए, बीच में मुझे gap चाहिए, so I what I can do is one row, three columns, represent image in first block, and third block means first column and second column. So let's check so that you can get more idea about what exactly is subplot. So here what I will do is 131 means one row, three columns, and at first block. And what here 133 means represent my grayscale image at for one row. I have three blocks. So from the three blocks, represent my image at third block. So let's run our code. Yeah, as you can see, at first block color image, second block grayscale image. In between the block is there is a space, or that block is uh, uh, reserved for a particular purpose, or if I want to represent it at second block. Okay. So now there is another thing called image compression. Image compression, like bit plan size slicing, means what here I can do, I can convert my image in one bit, like 1 bit image, 2 bit image, 3 bit image till 8 bit. And after that मैं क्या करूँगी, 6 and 7 bits को combine करके check करूँगी कि image कैसे दिखती है. Then combine 5, 6 and 7 bits and check how image looks like. Okay, and after that combine 5, 6, 7 and 8 bit of an image, so that here the conclusion is 8-bit image, 8-bit grayscale image is almost around 95 or 90% looks like 4-bit image. Means if I combine 5, 6, 7 and 8 image bits of an image, so the 8-bit image and last 4-bit image look same. So here my image size has been reduced. So image size has been reduced, and from that image I can get data or information, and do some manipulation that image. So here image compression is also done. So now let's check that part, that how the image. Okay, so this is my code to represent 1-bit image, 2-bit image, 3-bit image, and after that do some combination of an image. So let's run this code. Okay, so for get particular bit of an image, what I have to write a variable bit get, and in bracket the image on which I am doing performance. So here I am doing performance on grayscale image. So what I have to write I1 the variable where grayscale image is available, comma 1 means 1 bit of an image. Same as what I will write for 2-bit image, uh, bit get image variable where image is available and 2. Same as for till 8-bit image. And after that we can do combination of image by adding those variables. Okay. So here the software is busy. This will run our code. So accordingly, we can get the output. We will get two windows. One window will represent all the 8-bit image, original image and all 8-bit image, like 1-bit image, 2-bit image till 8-bit, and in another window we will see the original image, the combination of 6 and 7-bit image, 5, 6, 7-bit combination, and 5, 6, 7, and 8 means last 4-bit combination. So here the conclusion is the 8-bit image and last 4-bit image looks almost same. So here you can see the output. Okay, the code is running. Okay. Yeah. So as you can see here, I have take different bit of an image, like how 1-bit image look like, 2-bit image, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we grab मतलब हम एक एक इमेज एक एक बिट फ्रॉम एन इमेज अलग करते हैं तो वो एक्चुअल में ऐसे दिखते हैं. 1 bit means, sorry there is something wrong. Okay, yeah, 1 bit means uh, 2 raised to 0 means 2. Okay, 2-bit means 2 raised to 1 means 4. Yeah. Okay. So again just, yeah. So how the image can be look like. Now in another window you can see combination of bit plans. इसको बोलते हैं bit plan slicing. Okay, where we can convert image in a different section and different bit of section and combine it. So combination of bit 7 and 8 images look like this. Okay, combination by doing combination of bit 5, 6 and 7 image will look like this. After combination of 5, 6, 7 and 8-bit the image look like this. So here you can see basically the original image and last 4-bit combination means 8-bit image and 4-bit image almost look like same. So if this is sufficient for you, according to your application, you can do process on this image. Okay. Now here you can do zoom in, zoom out, uh, 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 for checking purpose that how the image can be look like after zooming, if the pixels are means extract or not. Using you zoom in, zoom out, you can check all these things. Okay. Now let's go through some advantages part and the application part of an image. Okay. So here as I said, fast process, no cost, the uh, high features. Okay. And this like reliability, you can get accuracy. You if you can do a particular manner method, you can get accuracy at some point. Okay, मीन्स अगर आपको अच्छी accuracy चाहिए, so आपको मतलब अच्छे से process करना पड़ेगा on particular part of an image, that what information you want from an image. Okay, reduction of cost. So here except software we are not going to use any other equipment, external equipment for this purpose. So now what are the application of an image? So there are So many applications, like as I said previously, medical purpose, okay, security, surveillance, robot vision, remote sensing, transmitting, receiving. So many applications are available. Image sharpening and restoration. Sharpening means what? कि सपोज हमारे पास एक पुरानी इमेज है, वी हैव एन ओल्ड इमेज देर आर, मतलब वहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ लग गया है, या फिर देर आर सम unwanted information is available, like some information has been gone. So what we can do, we can sharp that image, enhance the image. Suppose the image is of low light, मतलब कि कभी कभी हम इमेज कैप्चर करते हैं तो उसमें हमारे फेस पे जो लाइट होती है, ब्राइटनेस होती है, वो कभी कभी कम होती है. सो ये तो हम हमारा फोटो खींच रहे हैं इसलिए, बट व्हाट इफ आई वांट some information of for purpose of security और मेडिकल. तो हमको इंफॉर्मेशन अच्छे से चाहिए, सब कुछ अच्छे से दिखना चाहिए, बैकग्राउंड भी क्लियर होना चाहिए. तो हम उसमें क्या कर सकते हैं, लो लाइट इमेज को एनहांस कर सकते हैं by complementing. Removing has means what? Remove environmental effect, like smoke, or some other particles of an environment. We can remove it, like the धूल होती है एयर में जो, तो उसको हम रिमूव करके इमेज को क्लियर कर सकते हैं एंड इंफॉर्मेशन को एनहांस कर सकते हैं. मतलब वी कैन सी मोर इंफॉर्मेशन बाय एनहांसिंग लो लाइट इमेज for security purpose. As you can see, in offices or companies, there are some biometric machines are available where you can do attendance by face recognition. Okay, so where this image processing can be used, we can do unlock our phone. So that also can be done. There behind is the image processing where the our face has been recognized. Okay, another thing, yeah, and this is the image of Mona Lisa. Okay, where you can see the shape of an image by this the dot or plus mark. If you can see, so for MATLAB, what information is the shape of my nose, shape of my eye, shape of my cheek or mouth are information for a MATLAB. These are features for the software where this can manipulate or extract the information from these features. Okay, so if I want to for security purpose, so one of the example is if I put it in front of my house, or in front of door lock where only my face can be recognized. If another come in front of another person, come in front of door lock, or in front of my bank locker, so the lock can't be open. Okay, so here how image can be processed. So basically इसमें क्या होता है कि previously हम कुछ images store कर सकते हैं for our database purpose. After that, when we come in front of the door, the image can be captured and match with previously stored database. And if the person is same, the door can be open. Otherwise, not. This is my own project, which I have made through my last year of degree by combination of embedded system and image processing. Okay, so here you can do so many combinations and generate your own project, like embedded system in robotics, for robot vision. So many things are available. Okay, now let's go through, yeah, here what I will cover in my course. But before that, let me sum of all the things what we have studied today. Okay, so what we can go through, what is an image, मतलब image क्या है, कैसे represent करते हैं image को. Okay, so image means two coordinates available. Okay, x and y at intensity. uh, at intensity means कि जब at amplitude of f, the at that point the two coordinates are available is known as intensity of an image, and amplitude values of f are finite, that is known as image. Basically this is two-dimensional array. Okay, image is available in two-dimensional array format. Okay, now image किस चीज से बनी हुई है? Pixels. In image there are so many pixels are available. Okay, and each pixel has different value. You can tell it picture elements also. Okay, after that we have gone through types of an image. So four type of an image: binary means black and white, where one represent white, black represents zero. Okay, and 8-bit color image means we have 256 shade of an color, where 0 means black, 255 means white, and 1 means grey. 16-bit color image means where 65535 color shades are available, okay, for manipulation and for information purpose. After that we have seen the matrix form of an image, how image, digital image has been represented in form of matrix. Okay. After that we have seen three steps of for process on an image. मीन्स हमको अगर इमेज पे प्रोसेस करना है, मैनिपुलेट करना है, इंफॉर्मेशन ग्रैब करना है, तो वी नीड इमेज एक्विजिशन टूल, process of on an image and grab the output. After that, we have seen two type of image processing: analog image processing and digital image processing. Analog means what? Where if I get an Xerox and print, I can't restore it after getting an in result format. I can get one paper, so I can't restore that paper, or I can't manipulate that paper. Okay, but in digital image processing, I can restore the output, again manipulate it. I can do so many things and grab information according to requirement. After that, before advantages, we have seen some coding part, like how to read an image, how to take a size of an image. Means if I want to read an image, simply put where the path where image has been available, name of an image and format of an image. Format like JPG, PNG, JPEG, TIF, so many formats are available, and with different qualities. Okay, now after that we have seen how to show the image. So to show the image, there is im show, means image show, and variable where image has been stored. Okay, after that we have seen how to convert image in gray format, how to uh, represent or show the image in one window. Okay, so for that use subplot. Okay, and give the title of an image for us, our understanding that which image represent what part. So I have given the title. I can use different rows, columns using subplot where I want to represent the image. Okay, so this all things we have learned in coding part. Now I will show you another thing. This is histogram of an image. So let's see, histogram means what? Histogram means graph of an image, where we can see how image is represented in form of means graphical representation of an image. Okay, so by using code, there are two things: software and firmware. Software means where we can use predefined functions or instruction for coding purpose. Firmware means where we can develop each and every part of a code. Means simply here to represent the graph of an image, IM is still available. But what I have done is I have developed my own code, and in behind IM here the this thing is going to be run. Okay, that we want two coordinates for representation of graph. Okay, so this is graphical representation of the image, okay, using histogram. This is histogram. Histogram means what? It represents image in form of graph, okay. So this thing, till now these things we have shown. Now, advantages of image processing, okay. So simpler and faster way, reliability, accuracy, reduction of cost, okay. Application of image processing in our medical field, robot vision, then remote sensing, then security, surveillance, so many applications available. Okay. Uh, After that, we have now let me tell you the career opportunity. Okay, so you can go through robot vision, okay, computer vision. You can use Python for image processing. You can use Python also for image processing purpose, okay. So, and there are so many other career opportunity available by learning image processing, okay. Here you can get information, like I have give you some another example, like detectives, okay. Detective want to want so many information for and from a single image. What if image is not clear? What if the background is blurred? Okay, what if there is a low intensity, low resolution? There are software available, but why behind that there is an image processing, where we can blur particular part, we can sharp particular part using filters. There are so many filters available to manipulate an image and grab information according to our application. So, what I will cover when I will provide the training on image processing. Introductory part, then the fundamentals, filters, image transformation means there are transformation like log transformation, okay, Laplacian of an image, so many transformations are available. Then color image processing, image compression, segmentation. So I will cover all this thing in my course. Okay. Beside this, there are other courses available like embedded system, Arduino, electronics, robotics, C language, Python, artificial intelligence, and microcontrollers. Okay, so we are providing training on these courses also, and for electronic part like electronic robotic Arduino, we are providing kits also, so that you can do practical implementation, so that you can learn particularly and get idea about all the things practically, and you can understand very wisely all the things, okay. So this is my contact. I hope you all have uh, great time today and you are learning so many things today, okay. And if you have any question regarding this, you can ask me anytime. Okay, this is my contact. You can email me, you can ping me on WhatsApp, or you can call me regarding today's lecture, or you can ask questions uh, regarding a lecture or regarding other courses. Okay, and uh, we are providing demo lectures also. If you want, you can take demo lecture. There is no cost for demo lecture, so that you can get idea that what how I will teach you, and how you can learn learn from me, and which content I will cover in particular courses. You can go through our website also, where you will see different videos, information about the courses. And so if you have any question regarding today's session, if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. You can call me, ping me on WhatsApp, you can email me, I will give you the answer, definitely, for sure. And regarding courses, if you want, I will explain you much, okay. So here uh, I would like to thank you very much for Parul Institute of Engineering and Technology for giving me this opportunity, and Dheeraj sir for supporting me and the whole administration and available or include in this webinar. So thank you very much, and thank you very much all the participants who can give their time and spend their time with me. I hope आपने आज बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा, बहुत कुछ लर्न किया होगा. नो डाउट आपको हो सकता है आपको सारा कुछ समझ ना आया हो, बट आप मुझे कभी भी क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो इसके रिगार्डिंग. ओके, एंड एनी टाइम की कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो. Okay, and thank you very much for your time कि आपने इतना time निकाला, and you all have joined me, and I hope you have enjoyed this thing. So thank you very much all uh, for this thing. If you have any questions, so you can ask me now also. I will give you an answer. Hello.
Madam, it's really insightful talk. We are grateful with.
Hello. I'm not able to hear you, sir.
Thank
Hello.
you so much. Yes, am I audible? Hello.
Hello. No, you are not audible properly. There is disturbance. So many noises available with that. Hello.
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yeah. Now clearly you are audible. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much, madam, for your valuable time. And you have spent 1 hour, and it is really insightful. And we hope in future we will have a similar kind of talk, similar kind of workshop. And once we will go for offline, then we will definitely ask you for expert session as well. Really
Oh,
thankful for this webinar.
thank you very much, sir, and Parul University for this opportunity, and all the participants for their time. Thank you, really, sir. And we will proceed for certification also, sir, for all the participants.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So once again, I request all the participants kindly fill your registration form. It is going to be closed at 11 a.m. So make sure you have filled that registration form. It is used for attendance purpose as well as for your certificate. Make sure you are providing correct name and all other details like email and all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you all.
You can
Hello.
leave. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, you can leave. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much, everyone.